name's Keshante Chantel and welcome to my channel. So I am here and I am super excited about this review. Every girl deserves luxury, and luxury can come in a form of many different things, but today we are talking about designer handbags. And so I was able to get my hands on my very first Louis Vuitton, and I'm so excited about it. Now, I was gifted this item by a friend, and nonetheless, I'm so excited because this bag is so beautiful and it was just a really thoughtful gift. And so I'm going to share with you my unboxing today of this bag, and so I'm going to explain the program. The bag is from Belk, and Belk has a program called What Goes Around Comes Around, where they have new to gently used purses, and they're at a resale value, and it's kind of like buying a bag off of like Poshmark. It is a step above consignment. So what I love about this program is because they offer everything from Louis Vuitton, Gucci, Chanel. I've seen, wow, so many different bags, even Hermes, which, girl, we don't got Hermes money. But however, these bags are really nice, and they have many different styles and colors that they come in. And so I'm going to share with you my unboxing of my first Louis Vuitton. If this is a video that you're interested in, then definitely stick around. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Join my beautiful online family, and we are going to get straight into the unboxing. Alright guys, so this is the bag that I chose. It is so pretty. So Belk has had this program since 1993. It's called the What Goes Around Comes Around. This program has been curated by the finest pre-owned luxury items from most renowned fashion brands. They have an expert team of buyers that travel the world hand selecting the finest designer bags, accessories, and apparel. And they're dedicated to authenticity, sustainability, and collectability. So again, what I like about this bag is because it does come with a QR code that you can scan and learn more about your bag. They also have a product registration. Now these bags, because they are pre-owned, they are final sale. I do have to tell you that. So if you ever shop Dillard's or Belk's, they're What Goes Around program. Their bags are beautiful, well loved, gently used, but you cannot return them. So I absolutely love the monogram detail in this bag. So this is what the bag looks like. Very nice, very beautiful. So I love the gold detail on the hardware of the bag. On the inside, as you can see, it is very nice and clean. The prior owner just really kept this bag up. There's no stains on the inside. And again, it has the brown monogram, lots of pockets. So great for storage. You can just put about anything in this bag. So that's why I really, really like it so much. So this bag has many different compartments in it, which I love because you can put your phone in one of the sides. So this side right here, this little pocket, you can slide your phone in there or your keys, lip gloss, anything like that. You can also put your wallet or cards. Now I'm a person that likes to have matching bag, matching wallet. So eventually I will invest in a Louis Vuitton wallet to go with this bag. I feel like the quality of the bag is really good. So what I want to do is I want to scan a QR code and learn more about my bag. So when you do this, this tells you the name of the bag, which is the Cabo Spiano. The origin that this bag was made in, it was made in France, which is kind of cool. The year of this bag is a 2002. So this bag is actually over 20 years old, and it has been well kept since then. If you're ever interested in the market of buying a luxury handbag, then I definitely suggest that you try Dillard's or Belk. They both offer the What Goes Around Comes Around program, and I feel like you will save a lot of money. So yes, you will find the most beautiful luxury handbags and you will save a lot of money. So I just wanted to do this unboxing with you and show you my new luxury handbag. There's definitely going to be more to come. This is not my first. Well, this is my first, but it won't be my last. So thank you guys so much for tuning in, sticking it out, and thugging it out with me. If you own a luxury handbag, please list in the comment section below your favorite handbag designers, and I would love to see what some of your tastes are. So again, thank you for watching, and if you haven't already, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you guys in my next video.